If you've ever opened Microsoft Edge and felt like the text is too small, too large, or just not comfortable to read, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to change the default font size in Edge browser in just a few simple steps. This is a quick setting that can make browsing much easier, especially if you read a lot of articles, work on documents online, or just want a more comfortable viewing experience. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tips just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once the browser is open, look to the top right corner of the window and click the three-dot menu, also called Settings and More. This menu gives you access to all of Edge's main controls and customization options. From the drop-down, click Settings. Now that you're in the Settings page, look at the left-hand sidebar and select Appearance. This section controls how Edge looks and how content is displayed on your screen. In the Appearance menu, scroll until you find the Fonts area. This is where you can control the text style and size used in the browser. Inside the Font section, you'll see a font size dropdown. Click that dropdown and choose the size that works best for you. Edge gives you multiple options, so you can make the text smaller if you want more content on the page, or larger if you want better readability. As soon as you choose a new font size, the browser applies the change automatically. After that, go back to the websites you use most and check how the text looks. You may notice articles, menus, and web page content now appear more comfortable to read. If it still doesn't feel right, you can always repeat the same steps and adjust the font size again until it matches your preference. That flexibility makes Edge very easy to customize. One important thing to remember is that changing the font size in Edge can improve your browsing experience without affecting your device settings. It only changes how content appears inside the browser, so it's a simple and safe way to personalize your setup. If you want even more control, Edge also lets you adjust other appearance settings. But for most users, changing the default font size is the fastest way to make a big difference. Whether you're browsing at work, studying online, or just reading for fun, this small adjustment can make everything feel much more usable. And that's it. You've now changed the default font size in Microsoft Edge browser. Super easy, right? If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.